let's just make sure that we have a travel insurance when we travel, no matter how short the trip is or how much you think that it is not important. It is important. We've seen it. We've seen it in this pandemic. We've seen how people got stuck outside, how they got hospitalized, how they contracted. I think that travel insurance is going to evolve as a product in the next 4 to 6 months, and definitely get adopted a lot in the next at least 2 years. Purely because I think people have realized during the pandemic what can happen if you're outside the country and you get stuck there for some reason. Please remember, the cost of treatment in India बहुत कम है. It's low compared to what happens outside the country. So मैंने बहुत बार देखा है when my friends used to go, और हम लोग कहीं आसपास जा रहे हैं 3-4 दिन के लिए, कहीं पे चले गए, मलेशिया चले गए, थाईलैंड चले गए, सिंगापुर चले गए, और मैं पूछता था कि यार कुछ ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस वगैरह ले लेते हैं, you know, something might go wrong. And there is very famous 2 words in India which I think we should really get rid of now that COVID-19 happened. चलता है. दूसरे 3 words, अरे देख लेंगे. Let's leave that attitude behind. We've seen what it costs. We see how serious it is. For 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, let us not go and spend all our saved money. I think people have already realized. I think people have become very, very aware of the fact that hospitalization costs a lot, and especially outside the country, it's exorbitant. Travel insurance, it's such a cheap product any which ways. Right? कितना 1,000 रुपए, 1,500 रुपए, जो आपकी ट्रैवल की टिकट्स होंगी उसका तो कुछ भी प्रतिशत नहीं हुआ. And what does it cover? It covers any hospitalization expense that happens there, any accidental treatment that happens there. COVID-19 it covers. So if you genuinely contract COVID-19 over there, then the whole cost of being in the hospital, getting treated with all the medicines. So I think it's a no-brainer. You must have insurance. Accidents होते हैं, hospitalizations होती हैं, हम लोग ये हर रोज देखते हैं, and you can't really be doing it out of your own pocket. You've got to be prudent about these things, right? मतलब अपनी enjoyment के लिए जो आपने इतने सालों के लिए आप पैसा कंजर्व कर रखते हैं, अपने बोनसेस को अपने हॉलीडेज में डालते हैं, उसको प्लीज हॉस्पिटल के खर्चे में मत खर्च कर देना. I think it's a necessary product. It is very, very, very cheap compared to what it could cost you if you go into a hospital. So I think you should compare your plans on Policybazaar. I think you should buy the best one for you. You can also ask for advice, but travel insurance is a necessity. I think it should have been a mandatory product, but it's not. But I think for your own self, you can mandate to yourself that if you can spend ₹1,00,000 on your holiday, you can definitely spend 2,000 to 3,000 rupees on your travel insurance. That's all I have to say. Thank you.